In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Osborne catalog into Pro100 and what it looks like when you open the different parts from the Osborne catalog and move them around in the program. So to start with, I'm going to go to I'm at the pro100usa.com website, and on the left hand side I'm going to go to optional catalogs. Then I'm going to go to corables, posts, and other wood components, and I'll click on download and install the entire catalog. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. It's actually saving somewhere else, and I'm just going to pause recording while this finishes. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to right click on it, open containing folder, and it went here to my download folder. So I'm going to right click it, extract to Osborne wood, and your zip program may be different, but either way you want to extract the contents of the zip file to the default directory, in this case Osborne wood, and there's a readme file in here with some instructions. But what you need to do is take the osbornewood.com folder and cut. And then you're going to go to your Pro100 folder and go to Catalog and Cabinets. Inside of Cabinets, you're going to right click and paste. Once that's done, then you can open up Pro100. New project. And under Cabinets, you'll scroll down and you'll see osbornewood.com. And let's go to coffee and end table legs, heritage, and these items can be dragged right into the program. Let's take a look at something else. Corables, contemporary, acanthus leaf, delete out some of. No, I'll just drag one of these out here. It's got all the details. So these files were originally DXF files we got from Osborne, and then we converted them over to a format that Pro100 can understand. So in other words, Pro100, we're able to take DXF files and convert them to a Pro100 format. So if you have some different objects that are not already in the program, then we can bring them in just like we did with this Osborne catalog. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 574-299-5330, or send an email to salesperson@pro100usa.com. Thank you.